Good afternoon, welcome to the Blind Tiger Farm. Today I am messing with a Power King 14 horsepower stump grinder. I got this about a year and a half ago from Home Depot. It's pretty cool. They sent me some extra belts and some extra blades. I have not used either of those yet. The blades on this can actually be sharpened. There's another video on YouTube of them, a guy sharpening them. This stump that I'm working on, when I took the tree down, it was 45 inches in diameter. And normally I just dig the stumps out with the excavator over here, but unfortunately this is a little big for the excavator to dig. This hole would be huge. There's the excavator. But I try to post on YouTube of how I'm doing things here and things that I like. I really do like the stump grinder. I haven't used it in a while, except for today, and I'm just digging away at the stump. It's going to take a while because it is a huge stump. But I'll go ahead and turn it on and let you see it grind. It's pretty effective. Like I said, these blades probably got 30 hours on them so far. They've been resharpened once. There's three ways to turn this thing off. One is you push this red button up top here. Second is there's a safety harness you can attach, and if you pull that, it'll disconnect. I can't imagine this thing running away from someone, maybe if you're smaller. The other way is to turn the fuel off down here. And strangely enough, it's not like a lot of machines you probably worked on where you turn the fuel off and it takes a few seconds. This actually turns off immediately when you turn the fuel off. I'm gonna go ahead and work a little, and then I will check back once I run out of gas or get the stump done. So apparently the old guy doesn't know the primary rule of YouTube, and that's always keep the camera rolling. If anybody out there has a recommendation on a camera other than my iPhone, that would be helpful. While I left you last time, I was chipping and I had a pretty good explosion. It would have probably gone viral. But this is just pieces. What happened was I got down here on the edge of the stump here and I found this. Well, actually, the stump grinder found that, and it broke the bolts and took well, 3 teeth off. I guess I'm going to be looking for another tooth. But unfortunately, the repair is going to have to wait till January because the day job wants me to go to work. But thanks for watching. I'm supposed to say subscribe and upvote. So this Power King stump grinder also comes with a tow bar, and it says remove tow bar when grinding. Apparently they have attorneys. They're afraid that thing's going to kick around and hit your leg. But get a little tour of the thing. There's a brake here that you can set while digging, while stump grinding, and this is the throttle. And you can collapse it to store it. But it's got the Kohler 14 horsepower. I don't know what Kohler's called nowadays. They changed their name. Someone bought them and took their name and changed it. Thanks for watching.